Hello guys, I'm making this video to make you understand how to infer graphs that are given to you. See, if you cross check the first task of Tableau analysis, it was asked to establish relationship between the type of the property and price. Okay, so he just asked us to establish relationship between these two things. So what I did is, like, for some copies I took total price of each type of property, and for some type of files I have taken average value of the price of type of the house. Okay, so if you check this, um, type H means house or cottage, villa, semi or terrace. U means unit or duplex. T means townhouse. So when you are speaking about these things, house type of property is having maximum average value, that is 1 lakh, oh, sorry, 1,110,000 comma, sorry, 1,110,587 dollars. Okay, that is the average price. This is the highest price, this is the minimum price when we took average values. Okay, this information should be explained in such a way that when the relationship is established between the type of the house and average price of the house, but to, like, with respect to the particular type of the house is evaluated, it is identified that house type of property has achieved largest value, and what is this, one is unit type of house got least value. Okay, this should be explained with mentioning of the number of the value of the average way, right? Okay, if it is taken sum, you should mention that the total houses, the total value of the sales generated because of the type of the houses are H type. H means house type, T means townhouse, U means unit house. So you need to understand those things. Okay, while discussing this graph, that information should be explained. Coming to the second type of activity that we should perform, it was asked to establish relationship between price and distance. Okay, we have taken distance 0 to max on y-axis, and 0 to 11 millions on x-axis. This is price of the house, this is distance of the house from the city maybe. Okay, so if you cross check, most of the data is distributed between the price of 6 million, and so if you take this is the area where most of the values are distributed. So we can say that for most of the properties that are sold, they got price between maybe 0 million and 6 million, or maybe 0 million and 4 million, in that way. Okay, we can understand that the maximum value of the house is achieved when the distance is at 0.10.50. This is the maximum price that we can achieve, because when we move this side, whatever is the maximum value, that is considered as maximum value. So the least price is achieved for the distance, maybe you can check this, 5.10 shayad. Okay, in that way we speak about maximum where the data is distributed. It is between 0 million and 5 million, and it is between 0 and 50 distance. Okay, so the largest value of the house is this one. The price of the largest distance value is 450,000. Okay, this information can be extracted when we interpret this graph. Got it, guys? So try to work it properly and write some good information and share it. Okay, I need only 50 words for each graph. That's it, guys. Thank you. Again, one more thing, guys. See, I want you to explain how it was created, how the graph is created, the analysis is created. We say that when price is taken on the columns and row distance is taken on rows, this graph can be generated. In x-axis, the distance value was taken. Another way of explaining it is, on x-axis price is taken, and on y-axis distance is taken. Then it is possible to establish relationship between price and distance. It explains how price varies when distance is increased, or how distance varies when price is increased. Got it, guys? You need to mention how this graph is also created. That's it. Thank you.